My bike check of a 2011 Sunday Gary Young Expert. Go through a couple of things on the bike. It's a 20.75 inch top tube. Original to Sunday is the wave down tube. Sunday stem, original bars. Put grips off a Norco Bigfoot. The old one sucked. Odyssey Quadrant rims. It's a Odyssey Akin front tire. Been riding for years, still looks new. Odyssey Pass rear tire, still in good shape. Trick Sticks JPEG, very light. Both of them weigh less than a pound. Sunday Bikes, original sprocket. Sunday seat clamp. Odyssey pivotal seat. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Put a Snafu crank, $300 crank. Picked it up for 180 bucks because one of my buddies owns a shop. The original crank, I snapped it in two because it was basically just scrap from day one. Rush brakes, put them on, have to get them adjusted soon. It's the raw edition of the bike. You can also get it in blue with gold rims, but the raw edition, you can see the weld marks. Super cool. And yeah, my bike check.